Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Toyota and the Teka.
Yeah.
We are coming out with a new series titled Suto Fongwe.
What kind of school?
It's a big one indeed. That's why we are coming with this audition. We want to see how we can bring in new people. All those people that call, I want to join Laugh Nation, I want to join Laugh. This opportunity for you. Understand? Pay a registration fee of 2,000 naira to this bank account and send your improvement to this WhatsApp number. If you cannot do it online, then come with your money on the day of the audition. Pay it.
Don't allow 2K to be a barrier to your career.
How are they? Ntiria kama mana.
Become Makarana.
So come with your money that they register. Grab this opportunity
Now
to be among the Laugh Nation family. Suto Fongwe is Uncle Mado by the name.
Mama!